Are you noticing that many of your pages are ranking on the first page of Google, but they are getting very low clicks? The solution in this case isn't to increase the rankings of those pages, but it's to improve the way they appear in search. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can identify those specific pages, calculate how many clicks you're missing, and fix them without creating brand new content or even building links. Now, even if your page ranks very high on Google, that doesn't always matter if no one actually clicks on your search result. Because if you're like me, I always think that high rankings always equal more traffic, but that's not always the case. Google sends traffic only when users actually click on your result. And high rankings with a low click-through rate equals wasted visibility because you have that visibility, but unfortunately, no one is actually clicking on your result and landing on your website. Now, I would say most websites out there have this CTR problem. Now, you can easily identify the pages with this CTR problem by taking a look at their average position. So check to see if they are on the first page of Google, and if they have at least 100 or more impressions, and they are getting very low clicks or 0 clicks. And you could find this data in your Google Search Console. Now, these pages already have visibility, and Google trusts them to actually rank them on the first page, but you don't necessarily always need to try to figure out how to make the rankings even higher. You should be really focusing on improving the way your search results appear. Now, aside from manually checking your Google Search Console to see if you have any CTR problems, you could very quickly identify if you have any of those problems by taking a look at the CTR optimization report from Website Ranking Checker. Now, this is a free tool that connects to your Google Search Console, and it does the analysis all by itself, so you don't need to manually filter through all of the reports and analyze them yourself, because this tool will do all of that for you. Now, this report instantly shows you all of the keywords that are ranking on the first page of Google where the actual CTR is below the expected CTR. So for my website, I have 38 keywords with a CTR that's below expected. And these keywords right here are specifically the biggest missed clicked opportunities. And what's really helpful is that it actually calculates how many potential clicks you really should be getting, because it shows you the keyword ranking and also the impressions right here. And from that, it'll calculate the potential clicks for each one of these keywords. So right now, I'm leaving approximately 437 clicks on the table. So I'm missing out on over 400 clicks. So if we scroll down and take a look at all of the keywords, you could see their position over the past 30 days and the actual CTR and the expected CTR. So say for example, this keyword right here, I'm ranking 1.4, but my CTR is 0%. So I'm not getting any clicks, but I'm actually getting impressions, over 700 impressions. So my expected CTR should be about 15%. So the CTR gap is 100%. Now for this first keyword here, my CTR gap is 92% because I did get about 3 clicks over the past 30 days and my impressions is over 700. So as you can see, I have tons of keywords that are ranking on the first page, but no one is clicking on my search results. So that clearly is a huge issue. But thankfully, it is an issue that we can easily resolve. And you can resolve that by improving the titles and meta descriptions for our top ranking keywords to capture more clicks from those same rankings. So for each one of these keywords, what you would want to do is update the page title and the meta description for all of these URLs listed out right here. So see how you rank organically on Google and see if you can improve your page titles, and your meta descriptions. And the other thing you must do as well is to phrase your title and description to match the searcher's intent. I would say that's the most important part, because if someone is looking to purchase something, they're most likely looking for comparison pages or e-commerce pages, so your titles should reflect that. So as you're updating your page titles and descriptions, just make sure you are speaking to the person who is completing that search on Google. Now, I really like this report because it shows me all of the top performing keywords in terms of rankings and shows me all of the huge opportunity that I can capture if I just improve the way it appears in search results. And you could do this for your own websites and also your clients' websites. So as you are planning out your SEO tasks, you could go through this table and click on the Add Task button to move it over to your tasks list. So you could use this list to track all of your opportunities you're actively working on. So a great project management feature inside Website Ranking Checker. Now, I'll include a link to this free tool in the description below so you can check it out right now. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.